Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To view the offline map settings in Windows 11, open the Settings app window and then click the Apps button at the left side of the screen to show the app settings for your computer to the right. Then click the Offline Maps button to the right to show the offline map settings at the right side of the Settings app window. To download offline maps in Windows 11, click the Download Maps button in the Map Setting button to show continents as setting buttons at the right side of the window. Click the desired continent to expand it and show its country maps. If needed, to select a region for a country's map, click the Choose Region button in that country's Settings button. To download a country or region map, click its Download button at its right end. To return to the offline map settings, close any Choose Region windows if needed, and then click the Offline Maps link in the breadcrumb navigation at the top of the Settings window. Downloaded maps appear under the Maps Setting button. To delete a downloaded map, click the trash icon at its right end. Alternatively, to delete all downloaded offline maps, click the Delete All button in the Delete All Offline Map Data Settings button. Then click the Delete All button in the confirmation message box that opens. To select the hard drive to which to store the offline maps data, select a choice from the Storage Location Setting buttons dropdown. To download offline maps data over metered network connections, click the Metered Connection Settings toggle switch to set it to the On position. To check for updates to offline maps, click the Map Updates Setting button to expand it. To enable automatic offline map updates when plugged in and connected to Wi-Fi, ensure the Update Automatically when plugged in and on Wi-Fi checkbox is checked. To manually check for offline map updates, click the Check Now button in the Check for Map Updates Setting button. To close the Settings app window when finished, click the X button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.